guys! Today I wanted to show you how I did some prints for my boys' room. This is not a nursery tour, it's just to show you how they turn out, because I'm really happy with them. The first thing I did was to make sure about the measurements I wanted, because you don't want to make a beautiful print and then don't find frame. So I decided to go for an animal theme because I thought they were cute. A child would really enjoy seeing animals. I was really excited when I went to pick them up at the printers, because you draw them but you never expect them to be so nice once you have them. Of course, when I went to IKEA, they didn't have the colors I wanted. I would have liked them to be all in white, but they didn't have the sizes or the colors I wanted. So I ended up combining some of the colors they had. Some are black and the rest are a sort of turquoise, but they look nice all together. And then it was just a matter of opening packages and putting them in the frames. frame for the elephant didn't have the hooks, so I bought some and put them in. And then tie some rope so I can hang it. Some time to decide a combination we wanted to do with them. We tried on the floor different ways to hang them. Then once we had decided, I was just having a look at how they would look on the wall, and we were able to use some nails the wall had already. So that was good, because I only had to drill twice for the fox and the panda. And this is how they look on the wall. Happy with them, and now that I've done this, I'm willing to make some more for the rest of the house. And the best thing was that the baby loved them. So it's really nice because he was smiling and pointing at them. So it was fantastic. Bye!